Hi guys, today I will walk you through a data engineering project where I built an ELT pipeline using GitHub Actions, Cloud Run Job, Google Cloud Storage, Snowflake, dbt, and Streamlit. So, first of all, let's discuss a little about the data scope right here. So the data scope shows the this project tracks Spotify artists and their top tracks during the 2025 Christmas season, focusing on the period from November to December. And this data set includes a curated list of globally relevant and Brazil relevant artists during the Christmas season. Basically, guys, I Googled uh, the most important artists in the Christmas season for the Brazil market. And in the global market, the approach was the same. Uh, it is a short list, but I would like to show the usage of the technologies to build this project. So let's analyze a little about the architecture. So in a high level, we have GitHub Actions acting as a scheduler. Right here we have two different workflows. I will show to you guys later. So the GitHub Actions act as a scheduler, and we are ingesting data using Cloud Run Job. I analyzed that it was cost efficient and easy to reason about to use Cloud Run Job instead of long running services. So the Cloud Run ingests the data as a batch stateless job. So um, basically daily we are triggering one GitHub action right here to ingest this data from the Spotify API that it's public. So we are ingesting this data and we are loading this data into the Google Cloud storage that we can check right here. Uh, and after that, we are using the Snowflake as the main data warehouse right here. So basically, we are using a hybrid medallion architecture right here. We are transforming the data using dbt inside the data warehouse, and we have three different layers: the bronze, the silver, and the gold layer that I will show to you guys later. But basically, we are transforming the data inside the data warehouse. So we have an ELT approach right here. And the DBT is acting, doing these transformations. So we have one one workflow that GitHub Actions trigger daily to ingest the data from Spotify API, and another workflow to do these transformations right here. Uh, so both they run daily, and well, after that, on the top of the gold layer, we have the Streamlit app for analytics. So let's check some stuffs like this, like the Google Cloud Storage. I'm sorry. So we have here two different folders, the artist and the tracks folder inside one bucket right here, and they are separated in different folders, like date folders right here, and inside these folders we have JSON files right here. uh, so if you guys would like to check the uh, the data, we have directory right here called data samples, so we can check the sample of these JSON files right here. For example, this one right here, and well, the data, we track the artist popularity and the follower counts, the top tracks per artist, the track popularity evolution over time, and the goal is to analyze how music consumption evolves during the holiday season, comparing the market behavior, and identify the most dominant artists and tracks over time. So we are doing it, and uh, I showed to you guys the Google Cloud Storage. Now I will show a little about the Snowflake. So uh, let's see right here. We have the bronze layer, the silver layer, and the gold layer inside the Spotify database that I created. So uh, let's check a little about the DBT. Right here, basically, we are ingesting the data as they came. So for the bronze layer is that we have on the schema right here, we have the append as the incremental strategy. So basically we are appending the data without any checking. So we have some descriptions right here that these descriptions are important to documentation. So in the silver layer, we have two different models right here that uh, the main reason of the silver layer is to normalize the data and deduplicating them and do some aggregations. And on the schema of the silver layer right here, we are using the incremental strategy, the merge one. So we are using as unique key the combination of the artist ID and the record date. That's important right here. So in the silver layer, we have also the description, the documentation right here, and we have some tests that you guys can check right here that the artist ID cannot be null. So these tests runs daily also on the workflow. I can show to you guys right here that we have one task that test the DBT. So it runs daily also. So in the gold layer, we have analytical insights right here, and uh, we have some aggregations, some summaries right here, like the artist monthly summary, the daily track popularity, the track popularity summary. So the schema right here, we are using the table materialized basically, because in the gold layer it's important to have a fast answer when basically the gold layer the team consulting all the time this table, so they need a fast answer right here. So we have the description that it's important for documentation. We have different tests right here as you guys can check. And well, on the top of the gold layer, we have the Streamlit app right here that uh, you guys can check, like the title right here, Spotify Christmas Music Analytics. We have a market filter that we can select the market right here. For example, changing from all to beer, and all these numbers changes, and the tables are queried, the charts are refreshed, and well, let me refresh the page right here, right now. And here we go. The market changed to Brazil, and we have only Brazilian songs and artists. But for this demo, let's set it to all. Let's back. So we have here 89 tracks analyzed during this period right here, where we had we have 7 different artists analyzed. The last update was today because the whole workflow runs daily. We have 31 days tracked basically, and here on the first table, I will close my camera right now to show the app better. So we have right here the most popular tracks by market. In the first place, we have All I Want for Christmas Is You by Mariah Carey. And the max popularity is wild today, 99. And the average popularity is this number right here. And we have one interesting thing right here is that basically the peak date is being refreshed for a lot of songs because we are analyzing Christmas songs, and the Christmas is tomorrow. So uh, basically, it's a big, big market that we are analyzing right here, and well, the second and the third places right here, we have the same number, but to break a tie, we have the average popularity right here that in this case, the second place have a bigger number right here. So we can, in the Streamlit app, we can sort the data as we want to. We can apply some filters right here. We can download the data as CSV if we want to. We can expand the window right here, put it in full screen mode. But let's analyze the second table right here. We have the top tracks by popularity growth. In the first place, right here, we have the Holy Jolly Christmas. Um, so the popularity growth in this period was 18 points, and the max popularity is 90. So it's wild. We have the peak date right here also, and in this case, to break a tie, we are using the max popularity column, and below that we have one chart. When I was thinking about do this project, I was imagining this kind of chart right here. The popularity getting increasing day by day, so we can check right here the popularity on 13 30 30th November, I'm sorry, was 81, and we have the peak right here. It was today, and we can change the song if we want to. So the chart is querying the data, and so it's being refreshed as you guys can see right here. And below that we have another chart that we have the artist popularity growth performance. We have in the first place right here, Brenda Lee winning with 15 points, and that's impressive. And that's it, guys. I would like to say thank you for analyzing this project with me. And if you guys have some questions, you guys can reach out to me to talk about data engineering, data softwaring, and well, that's it, guys. Thank you for watching.